Did you just buy a US General box and you got that little ramp for unloading it? Now, whether you use this ramp or not, before you throw this little ramp in the trash can, let me show you something pretty cool that you can do with this ramp. Now, this is for unloading. It comes in the bottom drawer when you buy a brand new US General box. We just bought this box and we're moving out of this blue box. We did this in a previous video. So this little ramp, I'm gonna use this thing, all right? We're gonna make this box our wet sanding and buffing box. Now what we do for our full-time job is we do paint and body work like this. And this is 66 Mustang, and when it comes out of the gun, it needs some wet sanding and buffing. That is not a flawless paint job by any means. It's a high-end paint job, so it gets wet sanded and buffed. So I want to take this cart, which is falling all apart on this rail over here. It's not great. And we want to move that to here. Now, I have all my cut compounds and stuff like that, and we want to put them in a drawer, all right, so that we can use them. Oh, that didn't work. Knock over my cut compound. So how about if it knocks it that way and then it leaks out? That's not going to be good. That stuff's not cheap. So what we're going to do, let's take our ramp. Let's see here. I think I want them like this maybe. Look at that. Now they can't fall over. All of my bottles can go in here. My big ones, which is really just these. Man, we got quite a bit actually. I need another ramp. We can put a towel down there or a box at the end, something like this. Look at that. Bam, baby. Now, all your polishes are right there. You don't have to worry about the lids leaking in them. And if you want to take it a step farther, we can fold us up a towel down there, all right? And we can turn them like that so that when you grab them, the fluid is all down there at the bottom. We just need to put a towel down so if they do leak a little bit, it's not a huge mess in the bottom of the box. But that's amazing no matter which way you turn them. Now, all your shorter bottles that you get from the part store, such as stuff like this, McGuire's, they're all gonna fit, you know, Ultimate Black. Oh, that was a little nasty. They're all gonna fit right here in the front. Look at that. Close up perfectly fine. We need to clean that one up. But that is a very good organization system for all your fluids. If you're going to use one of these style boxes, this would include like the Harbor Freight 27-inch or whatever it is. You could get that box, turn it into a detail cart for wet sanding and buffing or automotive detailing and use that ramp in the bottom. Now, if you are setting up a cart like this, one more thing that I want to show you. Hold on. Stupid mat. All right, so if you're in a shop like this and you got fans blowing around, or if you're outside and it's a windy day, if you're using it for a detail cart, you definitely don't want that to hit the ground and for wind to go hit it. So these are going to be the Harbor Freight. This is really old. This is a Harbor Freight like 19-inch, 18-inch bar. All right, we're just going to put that across the top. I'm going to pick up one more to do on each side. Now, when it's windy out, or you're outside, or you're in front of fans, all right, that's going to make sure that thing don't blow off. Now, once I pick up 2 more, all right, next time they're giving them away for free on the weekend, I'm going to pick up 2 more and put them on them edges. That top won't blow off. You know I just earned your subscribe button and your like button, so go ahead and smash that like button for me. Hit the subscribe button, hang around, because we're trying to do more Harbor Freight videos, builds, tips, and tricks that you can use when you're using Harbor Freight products. Catch y'all on the next video.